What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Tora Vlogs back today with another deep cleaning video, part 2 of the microwave. So my husband finally came in here and he took that door piece off, and now I'm actually able to go in and deep clean this microwave piece. So it was bothering me a lot, so it's gonna be a part 2. And this is the product that I'm using. I did go and purchase one of these brushes right here to clean it. I got it from H-E-B. And I'm using this right here cleaner. And it's also H-E-B brand. They just started this brand right when the pandemic started, when cleaning supplies was flying off the shelf. But this came from H-E-B. And it says cleans on contact. It's True Grit Cleaner with bleach. You guys just stay tuned. I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle I used the other day. It has vinegar and water in it, and as you all can see, it's so satisfying. Let me show you how satisfying this is. As I spray it, this is just clean. This is the one that has vinegar and water in it. Okay, so this is the inside of the microwave, which you push some of the, well, not some of it, push all of the dirt back this way. I'm not too sure what's going on with that, but I probably would know that the reason being that I'm shooting it in on this side and it's coming back from this side. So I would have to actually probably have something back here. Or better yet, just clean both sides, because I don't want to push the grit and back on one side. Once I clean one, it goes back to the other one. The other side, I mean. So just stay tuned. Y'all see those little spots right here? The dark spots is like hard water buildup. So I'm going to keep on cleaning. I might have to use something else to get that off, maybe a towel. But these spots right here, I don't know if y'all can see them. I'm just rubbing with my hand. They're kind of hard to get off. So, I'm gonna use some Awesome and see. This is so awesome sauce. So I have some True Grit hard water cleaner, and it removes calcium, lime, and rust. So I'm going to try this on there right now. I forgot I had this to see if this actually helps with freaking buildup in here. I'm gonna turn it to spray. A Brillo pad this time to see if it even. Okay, so the Brillo pad actually works with getting that out. That brush was not doing what it was supposed to be doing. I don't know if you all can see the clarity in this, but it's definitely clean now. So I'm just gonna clean. This is the front part of the microwave.